Welcome to a MainlyDIY.com video.
Hi, today I'm going to make a little gnome, and I'm going to start with some quilting batting that's wool, and the fibers kind of run in this direction. So I'm going to cut a strip that's, let's see how big that is. Yeah, it's about 3 inches. I'm not being real precise with it, and I'm just going to cut the whole length of it. I've gone the length of my batting, so I'm going to take it and fold it in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to take this one I got a little bit narrower, but works just fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from one end and I'm going to kind of cut it diagonally down to a point on the other end. So so I've got one of these rough, very long triangles, and I'm going to start with that. I'm going to start the wide end and I'm going to kind of roll it up. Okay, so I've kind of got it rolled up, so I am going to take my needle. My felting needle, very sharp, so you want to be very careful with these. They have barbs down here. Let's see if I can get that in focus. It has barbs on that. Hopefully you can see that. But they're very sharp, so I like keeping my hand up here on this L shaped. So where my batting ended, I'm going to poke it right up and down, and you really do need to be careful of your needle and poke it straight up and down. It's also good to have a surface to work on. So I have one of these boards by Clover for needle felting, and you can also just use a piece of like foam cushion that I have here, but I am going to use the brush surface just because I have it. Either one works fine though. And I am going to just kind of poke the ends down just to kind of hold it together. And then I'm going to turn it up on end, and I'm going to kind of grab that end. And what I'm going for here is an egg shape. I'm just poking it together enough to kind of have it hold its shape. And again, you want to keep your non-poking hand away from the needle. And just take your time. Turn it up on the other end, and I'm going to do the same thing. And I should be poking down vertically because I don't want to break my needle. I have broken a couple when I'm starting out. So, so here I have kind of a rough egg shape, and that is going to be the head and the whole works for my little gnome gentleman.